Hello, I'm Kyle Brad from Chaparral Motorsports, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing and detailed look at the KTM 350 SXF from New Ray Toys. New Ray Toys does a phenomenal job at getting the nitty-gritty details built into the models that they produce for actual factory-produced vehicles out there in the marketplace. If you've got a 350 SXF or you're looking to get one, this is an item that you might want to pick up to have on the mantle, on your bookshelf, on your desk, or as a toy for your kids. Let's get this thing unboxed and take a look at the finer details. All right, so here we have the KTM 350 SXF out of the box here on the table. Let's go ahead and give you a quick little 360 so you can take a look at all of these details up close and personal. First thing I want to point out is this stand. It's not attached to the motorcycle with a screw. It's got a quick release here, so you can have it on the stand or you can take it off. And what you're also going to see is these are rubber tires that work really well. This one here is a little bit tight back here at the axle, so the more that you roll it, the looser it's going to get. Our slippery table here will lend itself well to the rolling of these tires across the surface. As we look closer, you're going to see that the front end is going to be able to turn, so you're going to be able to turn this guy and wheel it around. What you're not going to find is an active front suspension. I hope that New Ray Toys sometime in the future, if you're watching this, will go ahead and give us a little bit of action there on the front end. That would make this thing feel just a little bit better. Now in the back, we do have a functioning suspension. You can see that monoshock in there actually works and functions. It's pretty cool. You're going to notice a lot of super fine details. You notice each of the chain links have pins, rollers, everything in there. We got foot peg here with shift lever. All of the motor details are really fine as well. Moving down to the front wheel, you can see your rotor, you can see your calipers. Just about all of the details that you would see on the actual KTM 350 SXF on our dealership floor are outlined or showcased here on this model. Again, this is just the standard KTM 350 SXF. If you've got a supercross or motocross racer that you like to watch on television, New Ray Toys has the full line of factory bikes as well, complete with rider, a grandstand, and the actual factory bike. So take a look at those. If you want to see our full line of New Ray Toy unboxings, take a look at the first link in the description of this video. And if you want to take a look at the New Ray Toys facility here in Southern California, take a look at the second link. We just toured that facility recently, and the amount of toys or the breadth of the offering of their toys is really spectacular. If you liked what you saw today as far as the finer details of this little KTM 350 SXF, give us a thumbs up. And if you want more action like this to come directly to your email inbox, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.